Going to work today on the L and N sounds and making a difference between those two. We're going to start with the L and the N followed by a vowel. Now we'll start with these words: car, he, kite, toe, you. Car, he, kite, toe, you. Now we'll just strip away the consonants and leave the vowel sounds. R, E, I, O, oo. R, E, I, O, oo. Now let's do those same vowel sounds, but we're going to put the L sound in front of it. La, li, li, lo, lu. La, li, li, lo, lu. Now, if you want to check that you're doing that properly, you can try holding your nose and you will still be able to make that sound. La, li, li, lo, lu. Now, if we change that to an N sound, I want you to notice the difference in the position of your tongue as you do this. Na, ni, ni, no, nu. Na, ni, ni, no, nu. Now, if you were to try and do that holding your nose, you should not be able to do it. So I'll show you. Da, di, di, do, do. You can hear it's quite difficult to do because, of course, the tongue is filling the mouth. It's preventing the sound exiting, is preventing the air from exiting through your mouth. It's forcing it through your nose. And of course, if you hold your nose, the air has nowhere to escape. The next thing to do is keep the same vowel sound, but start with a L and then go to a N and make and feel the difference between the L and the N sound. So, la, na, la, na, li, ni, li, ni, lie, nigh, lie, nigh, low, no, low, no, loo, new, loo, new. We're going to now move on to L and N sounds at the end of words. Now for this we're going to use, if you remember, we used the words cat, get, kit, off, up to produce those sounds. Cat, get, kit, off, up. And if we take away the consonants, we have a, e, I, o, a. A, e, I, o, a. Now there are 3 sounds that we're going to put after those vowels. There's the dark L, the N, and then NG, ng. And again, we want to notice the position of the tongue as we do each of these. So let's do the dark L sound. Al, L, ill, ol, ul. Al, L, ill, ol, ul. Let's move on to the N sound. An, en, in, on, un. An, en, in, on, un. Finally, the NG. Now, the position of the tongue here is especially important. The tongue will be at the back of the mouth. Ang, eng, ing, ong, ung, ang, eng, ing, ong, ung. Again, if you wish to check that you're doing it correctly, you can hold your nose. You will be able to make the L sound, but you will not be able to make the N or the NG sound. So for example, al, el, ill, ol, ul. But if I try the N, ad, ed, in, on, un. And if I try the NG, ang, eng, ing, ong, ung. Now the last thing to try is to keep the same vowel sound, but change from the L to the N to the NG. Al, an, ang, al, an, ang, l, n, eng, l, n, eng, ill, in, ing, ill, in, ing, ol, on, ong, ol, on, ong, ul, un, ung, ul, un, ung.